We are looking into coming up with regulations, and we have agreed with the National Police Commission that we will look at the service standing orders afresh and strengthen this arrangement. We will adopt the system that has been adopted by the KDF, for example. You are officers. We do not expect you to live here and go to have affairs with your constables whom you are managing. When it gets to that point, one of you has to leave, because we must maintain a certain standard of conduct in the police service. We are even insisting to the Inspector General that cases of sexual harassment in the service will be orderly room proceedings type of cases, and the officers who are involved should be stripped of their ranks and gotten out of the service. We cannot hope that if we are not disciplined ourselves, we will be able to discipline those who work with us, and we'll be able to offer competent and efficient services to our people. We can no longer live that way.